Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Timely. Timely means done or occurring at favorable or useful time. For example, a timely warning. A timely warning. Synonyms: opportune, well-timed, at the right time.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. I don't agree with everything he says, but this is thoughtful stuff and timely. Now, repeat after me. I don't agree with everything he says, but this is thoughtful stuff and timely. The second exempli. The arrangement will seek to ensure the timely flow of collections from the dealer. Now, repeat after me. The arrangement will seek to ensure the timely flow of collections from the dealer. The third exempli. In the first case, a timely coup could be sufficient to avert an invasion. Now, repeat after me. In the first case, a timely coup could be sufficient to avert an invasion.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
William Shakespeare had a great influence on the English language. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor. Above all, he introduced thousands of words and phrases into the English language.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.